more when I get to talk to the newcomers, because trust you me that I have been really missing to meet all of you physically, face to face on the campus. Nevertheless, because the circumstances are so unforeseen, always, and we can never guarantee anything. But having said that, one guarantee I can always give to you, that Kanya Mahavidyalaya will always do its best for our students, and whatever the circumstances, whatever the situation, we are always going to put our best foot forward, especially for our students. May it be education, may it be welcoming you, may it be the entertainment that various events that we hold for our students, or may it be the overall well being of our students. We are always concerned about our students, and once again, I extend a very, very warm welcome to all of you present in this fiesta today, especially the students. Well, my dear girls, the new students, there was a day when I addressed all of you, all the newcomers, and this was one of the most memorable days of this session. And once again today, we get together for the welcome party for a fiesta. And as I said, that this is one of the best times for me, as well as I'm sure I can speak on behalf of your teachers, when we get to meet the new students. Because we exist here for our students. You are the ones who make us go. You are the ones who are the cause of our being here. And you are the ones who give us all our energy and the reason to be. So you understand how important you are to us. And today, especially, is a day when we want to make you feel very, very welcome. And of course, full of warm greetings from myself to begin with. And of course, from all the people, all the whole community of Kanya Mahavidyalaya. Well, your teachers, and even the teachers and the students who have passed out, because now you belong to a huge KMV family, a community which is always connected. हम एक बड़े परिवार की तरह हैं जो हमेशा आपस में जुड़ा रहता है, और आपके जिंदगी में आने वाले सालों में आपके साथ हमेशा कन्या महाविद्यालय का ये जो बड़ा परिवार है वो जुड़ा रहेगा. सो सबकी तरफ से, जो आपसे पास आउट होके सीनियर स्टूडेंट्स गए हैं, जो अभी सीनियर स्टूडेंट्स कॉलेज में पढ़ रहे हैं, सबकी तरफ से आपको एक बार फिर बहुत बहुत वेलकम, स्वागत, और दिल से स्वागत, क्योंकि आप आज हमारे परिवार में एक बार फिर से शामिल होने जा रहे हैं इस फंक्शन के द्वारा. एंड आई रियली वांट टू कंग्रेचुलेट द डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ स्टूडेंट वेलफेयर, which is very, very unique to Kanya Mahavidyalaya, because it's only here in this autonomous heritage institution that such a department exists. Why this department exists? Because the concept exists, because the cause exists. Cause क्या है? Reason है कि हम आपकी welfare को अपना एक prime objective समझते हैं, सबसे आगे रखते हैं हम, पढ़ाई से भी आगे है जो, वो स्टूडेंट्स की वेलफेयर है. सो हमारा ये जो डिपार्टमेंट है, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ स्टूडेंट वेलफेयर, ये आपकी ओवरऑल वेलफेयर, वेलबींग और प्रॉस्पेरिटी के लिए है, ताकि किसी स्टूडेंट को ऐसा ना लगे कि मैं कहाँ को बिलोंग करती हूँ, ताकि हम आपस में मिलकर एक दूसरे का ध्यान रख सकें, हम एक दूसरे की सेहत का, हम एक दूसरे की हैप्पीनेस का, हम एक दूसरे की एक वेलबींग, जिसमें सोशल वेलबींग, मेंटल वेलबींग, स्पिरिचुअल वेलबींग, एज वेल एज एकेडमिक वेलबींग, सभी कुछ एक पैकेज की तरह हम आपके लिए ध्यान रखते हैं. सो इन सारी चीज़ों का जब आप कन्या महाविद्यालय में आते हैं तो हम उसका ध्यान रखना अपना सबसे पहला फर्ज समझते हैं और ऑब्जेक्टिव समझते हैं, क्योंकि एजुकेशन एक बेटा होलसम पैकेज है जिसमें इंसान की स्पिरिचुअल, मेंटल और फिजिकल वेलबींग शामिल होती है. So, the Department of Student Welfare is going to always take care of your well-being. And tomorrow, again, one session of yoga is over, and I really hope that you people who learned, the humanities students, you are continuing the practice of yoga, and tomorrow we begin the yoga practice of science as well as the IT students. So that part as far as the student welfare is concerned. And now today I'm sure you all are excited about the fiesta. So आप सबको मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि इस fiesta के साथ साथ हम आपको invite करते हैं that you can plan as many fiestas as possible during the session, because we understand that you all have a lot of energy, you have a lot of talent in you. जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स नए आए हैं, आप में बहुत टैलेंट है. हमने आपका टैलेंट हंट भी करवाया था, तो उसमें मैंने देखा था कि बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो वो उनमें बहुत कुछ भरा हुआ है, उनमें बहुत टैलेंट है. उसको हम डेवलप कर सकें, उसको आगे ले जाकर आपकी पर्सनैलिटी का एक बहुत अहम हिस्सा बना सकें, ये हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव रहता है. सो इस फाइस्टा के बाद भी, ये तो आपका वेलकम फिएस्टा है, लेकिन इसके बाद आप कुछ भी अगर आप प्लान करना चाहते हैं, आप इस वक्त घरों में बैठे हैं, हमें सिचुएशन का नहीं पता कि कब तक हम कॉलेज खोल पाएंगे. इट कुड बी आफ्टर अ मंथ, इट कुड बी आफ्टर एनी अदर लॉन्गर टाइम. हम उसके बारे में कुछ नहीं कह सकते. ये बीमारी की हालात पर, जो पेंडेमिक है उसके सारे सर्कमस्टांसिस पर डिपेंड करेगा और गवर्नमेंट की पॉलिसीज पे डिपेंड करेगा. लेकिन मैं ये इसलिए कह रही हूँ कि घर में बैठकर आपको किसी भी तरह की लिमिटेशन नहीं समझनी चाहिए. यू कैन नाउ बिगिन टू प्लान. कल मैं टीचर्स के साथ बात कर रही थी, मेरी कल भी मीटिंग है, अभी भी मेरी दोपहर को मीटिंग्स खत्म हुई हैं कि आपकी पढ़ाई कैसे चल रही है. उसमें मुझे पता चला कि आप लोगों का बहुत सा सिलेबस है जो वो कवर हो चुका है, क्योंकि केएमवी में पढ़ाई को भी पूरी इम्पोर्टेंस दी जाती है और काफ़ी देरी से हम आपकी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस ले रहे हैं और टीचर्स उसको रेगुलरली फॉलो कर रहे हैं. तो उसके बारे में भी हमको सोचना है कि अगर आपको आगे अब एक्टिविटीज़ का भी टाइम होगा, आपके प्रैक्टिकल्स हैं या आपकी किसी भी तरह की जो और डेवलपमेंटल एक्टिविटीज़ हैं, उसको भी हम फोकस करेंगे. और जैसा मैंने कहा कि अगर आप कुछ ऐसा करना चाहते हैं जो आपकी इंटरेस्ट की चीज़ है, कोई कॉम्पिटिशन्स होल्ड करना चाहते हैं, कोई बच्चा खुद कुछ प्लान करना चाहता है, तो अभी एक स्टूडेंट जो है बॉडी बनती है हमारे, जिसमें आपकी लीडरशिप को डेवलप किया जाता है. That is the student council of the college. I'm sure under the guidance of Madam Madhumeet, then we have Madam Neetu, we have Madam Rashmi, and other senior teachers and other teachers who are involved. Dr. Pradeep is also there. So we are all going to be selecting a student council, and that student council will be the leaders of the students. और आपको उस लीडरशिप के थ्रू आप जो भी करना चाहें आप उसको प्लान कर सकते हैं. ऑनलाइन भी हम सब कुछ कर सकते हैं जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं. और माय डियर गर्ल्स, द fiesta includes also a welcome to the festivals. Only yesterday we saw that there was Dussehra, and now upcoming is Diwali, the big festival. There are other festivals in between, but then Diwali is also coming up. So our students, the entrepreneurial activities, these are going to see a big activity under entrepreneurial activities. यानी जहाँ students अपने आप कुछ करके कुछ ऐसा क्रिएट कर रहे हैं जिसके साथ कि वो मार्केटिंग भी सीखते हैं, उनमें कॉन्फिडेंस आता है अपना बिजनेस खोलना या अपनी जॉब ओरिएंटेशन उनमें डेवलप करने का, वो हमारी कोशिश रहती है. So there are a lot of activities taking place in the coming days. I want to give you a good news because you are all new to the college. हमारी हर सेशन में, हर सेमेस्टर में, और देखा जाए तो तकरीबन हर रोज आप देखते होंगे अखबारों में भी रोज कोई ना कोई न्यूज जाती है. लेकिन एक बहुत बड़ी खबर है अभी जो मैं आप सबके साथ शेयर करना चाहती हूँ. आपने शायद न्यूज़पेपर में पढ़ा भी होगा कि हमारा जो कॉलेज का जो इनोवेशन सेंटर है, इंस्टीट्यूशनल इनोवेशन सेंटर, ये गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का इंस्टीट्यूटेड है कॉलेज में, उसको गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से 5 स्टार दिए गए हैं. So it is 4.5 stars, which reflects on the 5 stars, so top ranking. So I would congratulate all of you that you have come to an institution which is not only a heritage institution, which is not only an autonomous institution, college with potential for excellence, and a star college by DBT, but it is also a five-star institution by the Institutional Innovation Center Organizations. So उसी के तहत अभी हम आगे भी बहुत सी एक्टिविटीज आपको प्रपोज करते रहेंगे, और आप पढ़ाई के साथ साथ अपनी व्यक्तित्व को, अपने कॉन्फिडेंस को डेवलप करने के लिए उसमें सारों में अच्छे से पार्टिसिपेट कीजिए. So now I would say that I have, I think, started talking about your overall celebration of students, of success of teachers and students. But now today's celebration must begin. So once again, I welcome all of you. And before I ask, Arzu to take the whole proceeding forward, I would like to congratulate Dr. Madhumeet, Dr. Neetu, Mrs. Rashmi Sharma, Dr. Pradeep, and Madam Sadhna Tandon, I can see, and all the other teachers. I'm sure there is a lot of teachers more who have worked for this event. I want to congratulate in advance the students. I can see Arzu smiling away right here, who is comparing, and I can imagine that there are so many other students. I'll be seeing your grid after some time, your faces, your happy faces. And so I want to congratulate all of you for holding this event. And I hope that you all enjoy it. And even if you cannot be in the college, well, virtually you can think that you are sitting in the college auditorium enjoying this function. So rejoice, enjoy, and I hope that you have a great evening with this program. Thank you. I will be addressing you more often after this. But for today's proceedings, now I hand you back to our brilliant student, Arzu. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your stimulating words. So now let's begin the event. Sing like the birds sing, not worrying about who hears and what they think. Music gives a soul to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to the imagination, and life to everything. Now, let's start the line of events for today by watching a melodious singing performance by Palak Vassal from BA Semester 3.
आओ हुजूर तुमको सितारों में ले चलूं, दिल झूम जाए ऐसे बहारों में ले चलूं। आओ हुजूर तुमको सितारों में ले चलूं, दिल झूम जाए ऐसे बहारों में ले चलूं। आओ हुजूर आओ। खैरियत पूछो कभी तुम, कैफियत पूछो तुम्हारे बिन दीवाने का क्या हाल है। दिल मेरा देखो न मेरी हैसियत पूछो, तेरे बिन एक दिन जैसे 100 साल है। अंजाम है ते मेरा होना तुम्हें है मेरा, जितनी भी हो दूरियां फिलहाल है। थैंक यू।
Good.
Indeed, she sings like a nightingale. The dance is a poem, of which each movement is a word. Classical dancing is being like a mother. If you've never done it, you can't imagine how difficult it is. So now let's present a Kathak dance video by blooming classical dancer Simran Mohan from BCom Honors Semester 1.
मरोड़ी कलाई मोरी, मरोड़ी कलाई मोरी, हाँ कलाई मोरी, हाँ कलाई मरोड़ी कलाई मोरी। चूड़ी चटकाई इतराई तो चोरी से गरबा लगाई। हरी ये चुनरिया जो झटके से छीनी, हरी ये चुनरिया जो झटके से छीनी। मैं तो रंगी हरी हरी के रंग लाज से गुलाबी गाल मोहे रंग दो लाल नंद के लाल लाल। छेड़ो नहीं बस रंग दो लाल मोहे रंग दो मोहे रंग दो
What a beautiful dance performance. Dance is the perfect balance between perfection and beauty. The upcoming video to watch is a dance performance by extremely talented dance queen Lakshita Agarwal from BA Semester 3. I wish I could dance so beautifully like her. So now let me just create a poetic atmosphere. शायद मुझे वही आता है. Missing the times of rushing to the class, wishing the teachers as we pass, the talking in class and missing the roll call, the meetings in auditorium and Devraj Hall, beautiful KMV campus and lush green gardens of KMV College, the white beautiful statue of Saraswati Mata, who is full of knowledge. To the times we are in now, ma'am, network issue, we say anyhow. We never had an option in these tough times. Perhaps tougher for juniors who miss their college prime. When is the college reopening? Everyone asks. But let's pray for healing and to come out of masks. With this, I would like to present to my audience a Punjabi poem writer, Vajinder Kaur from BSc Maths Semester 1.
ਸਤਿਕਾਰਯੋਗ ਪ੍ਰਿੰਸੀਪਲ ਮੈਮ, ਅਧਿਆਪਕ ਸਾਹਿਬਾਨ, ਮੇਰੇ ਸੀਨੀਅਰਸ ਅਤੇ ਮੇਰੀਆਂ ਸਹੇਲੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਮੇਰੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਪਿਆਰ ਭਰੀਆਂ ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ। ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਵਜਿੰਦਰ ਕੌਰ ਹੈ ਅਤੇ ਮੈਂ BSc ਮੈਥਮੈਟਿਕਸ ਓਨਰਸ ਦੀ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥਣ ਹਾਂ। ਅੱਜ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਕਵਿਤਾ ਪੇਸ਼ ਕਰਨ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹਾਂ ਜੋ ਕਿ ਮੇਰੇ ਦੁਆਰਾ ਹੀ ਲਿਖੀ ਗਈ ਹੈ। ਮੈਨੂੰ ਉਮੀਦ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਵਿਤਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਪਸੰਦ ਆਵੇਗੀ ਤੇ ਜੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਕੋਈ ਗਲਤੀ ਰਹਿ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਤਹਿ ਦਿਲੋਂ ਮਾਫੀ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੀ ਹਾਂ। ਕਰ +2 ਦੇ ਪੇਪਰ ਪਾਸ ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਰੇ ਕਾਲਜਾਂ ਨੂੰ, ਕਰ +2 ਦੇ ਪੇਪਰ ਪਾਸ ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਰੇ ਕਾਲਜਾਂ ਨੂੰ, ਵੇ ਘਰ ਬਿਠਾਤਾ ਫੋਨ ਫੜਾ ਕੇ ਕਰੋਨਾ ਤੂੰ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ, ਵੇ ਘਰ ਬਿਠਾਤਾ ਫੋਨ ਫੜਾ ਕੇ ਕਰੋਨਾ ਤੂੰ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ। ਕਿੱਥੇ ਨਵੀਆਂ ਅਲੜਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਪਾਂ ਚੱਲਣੀਆਂ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਪੀਡੀਐਫ ਭੇਜਦੇ ਪਏ ਆ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਦੂਸਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਪੀਡੀਐਫ ਭੇਜਦੇ ਪਏ ਆ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਦੂਸਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਟੀਚਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੇ ਮਖੌਲ ਕਰਨੇ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਕਲਾਸ ਖਤਮ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਏ ਜ਼ੂਮ ਤੇ 40 ਮਿੰਟਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਕਲਾਸ ਖਤਮ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਜ਼ੂਮ ਤੇ 40 ਮਿੰਟਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਨਵੇਂ ਕਾਲਜ ਦੇ ਸਹੇਲੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਟੂਰ ਕੱਢਣੇ ਸੀ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਨਵੇਂ ਕਾਲਜ ਦੇ ਸਹੇਲੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਟੂਰ ਕੱਢਣੇ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਸਮਾਂ ਨਿਕਲਦਾ ਹੈ ਘਰ ਦੀ ਕੁਰਸੀ ਤੇ ਜੁੜਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੇ ਆਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਟੀਚਰ ਨੇ ਗੁੱਸੇ ਹੋਣਾ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਹੁਣ ਤੱਕਦੇ ਆ ਕਾਲੀ ਸਕਰੀਨ ਦੇ ਬੰਦ ਕੈਮਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਨਵੇਂ ਟੀਚਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਣੇ ਦਾ ਚਾਹ ਹੋਇਆ ਕਰਨਾ ਸੀ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਨਵੇਂ ਟੀਚਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਣੇ ਦਾ ਚਾਹ ਹੋਇਆ ਕਰਨਾ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਗੱਲ ਬਣੇ ਨਾ ਉਹ ਜੀ ਦੇਖ ਫੋਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੜ੍ਹਾਉਂਦਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਗੱਲ ਬਣੇ ਨਾ ਉਹ ਜੀ ਦੇਖ ਫੋਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੜ੍ਹਾਉਂਦਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਘਰ +2 ਦੇ ਪੇਪਰ ਪਾਸ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਚਾਹ ਸੀ ਕਾਲਜ ਦਾ ਵੇ ਘਰ ਬਿਠਾਤਾ ਫੋਨ ਫੜਾ ਕੇ ਕਰੋਨਾ ਤੋਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੇ ਘਰ ਬਿਠਾਤਾ ਫੋਨ ਫੜਾ ਕੇ ਕਰੋਨਾ ਤੂੰ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੇ ਘਰ ਬਿਠਾਤਾ ਫੋਨ ਫੜਾ ਕੇ ਤੂੰ ਕਰੋਨਾ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ
Nice. Very
ਧੰਨਵਾਦ
What an excellent poem. But we cannot ever deny how much justice has been done to us by our teachers in the tough times of COVID-19 pandemic. We tend to forget that we are distanced, but we hope to meet soon. The job of the feet is walking, but their hobby is dancing. Let's now appreciate the dance performance of Ashima Soni from BSc IT Semester 1.
ਸ਼ਾਪਿੰਗ ਤੇ ਲੈ ਜਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪੱਟ ਹੋਣ ਆਵੇ ਬੜਾ ਦਿਲ ਕਰਦਾ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਪਾਇਆ ਨਵਾਂ ਹੀ ਟ੍ਰੈਂਡ ਆਇਆ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਲ ਕਰਦਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਆਈ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਉਦੋਂ ਤੱਕੇਂਗਾ ਤੂੰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਆਈ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਉਦੋਂ ਤੱਕੇਂਗਾ ਤੂੰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜੱਟਾ ਪਿਆਰ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਾ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਹੋਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਗੁਜ਼ਾਰਾ ਲੈ ਦੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸੋਹਣਿਆ ਸ਼ਰਾਰਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਏ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬੜਾ ਪਿਆਰਾ ਲੈ ਦੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸੋਹਣਿਆ ਸ਼ਰਾਰਾ
Indeed, beautiful. Practice like you've never won. Perform like you've never lost. With the same zeal, let us welcome another performer of dance, Nirbhi from Honours English Semester 1.
My mind, she'll make you curse. See a blessing, she'll rip your shirt. Within a second, you'll be coming back for seconds. With your play, you just can't help it. No, you'll play along. Let her lead you on. You'll be saying no, then saying yes, 'cause you're messing with your head. Oh, she's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho. At night she's screaming, my mind. Oh, she's hot but a psycho, so left but she's right though. At night she's screaming, my mind. Yeah, well, gun kinda crazy, she's poison but tasty. Yeah, people say run, don't walk away. Yeah, she's sweet but a psycho.
she definitely made a Bollywood mood with her moves. Style is a way to say who you are without having to speak. Every day is a fashion show, and the world is your own runway. Now, let's ignite the evening with mesmerizing modeling from semester 1 students.
Yeah, yeah, baby. ਓਏ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਗਿੱਧੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੱਚ ਪਤਲੋਨੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਲੱਕ ਨਾ ਮਰੋੜਾ ਖਾ ਜਾਵੇ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਗਿੱਧੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੱਚ ਪਤਲੋਨੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਲੱਕ ਨਾ ਮਰੋੜਾ ਖਾ ਜਾਵੇ
तेरा मुखड़ा चंदा टुकड़ा तेरी अनक तेरे सू क्या बात तेरा काजल करता है पागल हिप्नोटाइज करे जब क्या बात तेरे लग कराची दी साला चल कराची दी तेरे घर नाल बंदर तेरे जिस्म च खुशबू राची दी जगह तेरी टहन तेरा डांग मेरी तेरा
Himachali dance is a part and parcel of every KMV event. KMV boarding house is the second home of hostelers from Himachal. We all miss them at KMV hostel, but they didn't forget to send us and contribute their videos in this event. So we now present a Pahari and Jammu dance by Yashika and Nidhi from Honors English Semester 1. I hope our audience is enjoying the event. We are Punjabis and Bhangra is in our blood. So now let's welcome from the IT department the winner of many dance events, Daljit from BCA Semester 3.
Ayo Empire.
She truly rocked the beat. Take more chances and dance more dances. With the same fervor, we have another dance performance by Jashanpreet Kaur from BCom Honours Semester 1.
हाँ मेरे सुर में ने जादू जिहा पा लिया मुंडा अत दा शकीन पिछे ला लिया
ਲਾਉਂਦਾ ਅੰਬਰੀ ਉਡਾਰੀਆਂ ਸਿਲਾ ਲਿਆ ਨੀ ਤੂੰ ਦਿਲ ਦੇ ਫਰੇਮ 'ਚ ਜੜਾ ਲਿਆ
ਇੱਕ ਵੇਖੋ ਆਇਸ਼ प्यार सोनिया वे तेरे नाल रखना मैं पाके
ਮਿੱਤਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਗਲੀ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਸੋਹਣੀਏ ਤੂੰ ਲੰਘਦੀ ਪੰਜੇ ਬਾਛਣ ਕਾ ਕੇ
ਕੱਚ ਦੀ ਗਲਾਸੀ ਵਾਂਗੂ ਸੋਹਣਿਆ ਵੇ ਰੱਖਦਾ ਏ ਵੈਰੀ ਖੜਕਾ ਕੇ
ਮਿੱਤਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਗਲੀ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਸੋਹਣੀਏ ਤੂੰ ਲੰਘਦੀ ਪੰਜੇ ਬਾਛਣ ਦਾ ਬਾਸ
Now, as we come to the end of this event, let us hear from the first year students what they feel about KMV.
For some, it's privilege. For others, it's right. The difference between darkness and the future that is bright. As long as you're learning, your education grows. That will lead to contributions as you share the things you know. Greetings to all. I'm Jessica from PA Semester 1. I'm highly grateful to the teachers who have helped me so much. They have shared their knowledge and experiences. Thank you so much for your patience throughout this hard time. It's meant a lot to us. Thank you.
Respected ma'am, I am Jashandeep Kaur, student of BCom Honors M1. I am very grateful to be a part of this institution and I am hoping to learn a lot from this institution.
Hello everyone, I am Khushi from Honors School. I personally feel as a student of this heritage institution, we are always welcome. The teachers here are so generous and always welcome our doubts. I feel so blessed to be the part of this glorious institution.
I am Yadi from BCom Honors Semester 1. I am very thankful to be the part of this beautiful institute.
Hello everyone, I am Jasmine, currently pursuing my bachelor's degree from North India's best women college, Kanya Mahavidyalaya, the autonomous and heritage institution. I have completed my 10+2 from KMV Collegiate itself. KMV is the institution that ignites a spark within me to explore the best version of me. This is the place where I learned how to emphasize more on personality development rather than focusing on grades. And I am grateful to be the part of KMV Student Council. Thank you.
I'm Sumandeep Kaur from BCom Honors Semester 1. Feel very blessed to be a part of India's #1 ranking college KMV.
Hello everyone, I am Ushika. I am a part of KMV Collegiate Council from last 2 years. I always wanted to contribute in the progress of KMV, and in my journey from being a very normal student to a council member, I have learned a lot. My seniors and my teachers always appreciated me for my work and contribution. Now, I am looking forward to do more for this college as a council member. Thank you.
Greetings to everyone. I'm Lavleen Kaur, student of Bachelor of Commerce. I'm feeling lucky to be a part of this amazing institution.
Everyone, my name is Gurdev Kaur. I'm from BCom Sem 1. आज मैं आपके साथ इस खूबसूरत मौके पे एक छोटी सी शायरी जो कि मैंने टीचर्स के नाम पे लिखी थी वो सुनाना चाहती हूँ। जीवन के हर अंधेरे में रोशनी दिखाते हैं आप। जीवन के हर अंधेरे में रोशनी दिखाते हैं आप। बंद हो जाए सब दरवाजे नया रास्ता दिखाते हैं आप। सिर्फ किताबें ज्ञान नहीं जीवन जीने का मकसद भी सिखाते हैं आप। थैंक यू।
We are privileged to have such enthusiastic semester 1 with us. I would like to end my anchoring with the following lines. Coming together is a beginning. Staying together is a progress, and working together is success. Now I invite Pranav D to manage the event further.
Thank you, Arzu. So, Swagatam to all the freshers. Welcome to this whole new world. आगे बढ़ने से पहले हम सबकी ओर से KMV के नाम एक शायरी प्रस्तुति। हमारी महफिल में लोग बिन बुलाए आते हैं क्योंकि यहाँ स्वागत में फूल नहीं पलकें बिछाई जाती हैं। This is surely a special day for you and for us as well. As principal ma'am and teachers are already putting so much efforts for you all, उसी तरह हम सीनियर स्टूडेंट्स भी आपके लिए हमेशा सपोर्ट में खड़े रहेंगे। Though we are apart, but we are always here to help, support and guide you. KMV में आप सभी का स्वागत सदा ही ऐसा होता रहेगा। Although seniors were ready with many other entertaining videos, but we couldn't play all of them because of time shortage. पर हम सीनियर्स भी प्यार जताने में कम नहीं, चाहे एक पल ही सही, कुछ तो प्यार जताएंगे ही। So, presenting to you a very short clip expressing love and warmth, edited by Tanya, Drishti and Pranav.
We welcome you to our KMV family.
We all choose to value you forever.
Not only from students, but also from all the faculty members.
Now, I would like to invite Jasmine, class representative from BA Semester 1, to share her views about the event. Over to you, Jasmine.
Greetings to one and all present here. On behalf of all the freshers, it's my great honor and privilege to sit before you virtually to extend my words of gratitude on this special occasion of Welcome Fiesta, which has been specially organized for us. First of all, I am grateful to worthy Madam Principal, who always continue to inspire us to work with zeal and dedication. Behind every success we attain lie the manifold efforts of a committed faculty. So a great thanks to all the teachers for always guiding and mentoring us. I'm thankful to our seniors for organizing such a beautiful function in which we all had the opportunity to be compatible. We really felt overwhelmed throughout the event, and we were feeling like we are attending this event in college auditorium. All the performances were worth watching, and the best part of the event was the welcoming collage made by seniors. It was really made with so much of love and affection. and I'm grateful to be the part of KMV family. And once again, a big thanks to each and everyone for making this event so much special for us. Thank you.
Thank you, Jasmine. So before winding up, there's some pressure from the audience. Khushi cannot resist herself from sharing her views. Over to you, Khushi.
Hello everyone. Though I haven't prepared anything, but I can't resist myself without saying a word about this beautiful event. Each and every event was so mesmerizing, and we will cherish this moment forever. This welcome fiesta is now so close to my heart, and we will not forget this day ever. Our seniors had worked so hard and gave us a warm welcome, and our teachers guided them so beautifully. Looking into this scenario, their work is commendable and the output is amazing. In the end, I thank Principal Ma'am for giving us this privilege.
Thank you, Khushi. I take this quick opportunity to thank Principal Ma'am for always guiding and inspiring us to express warmth towards everyone. Thanks to Dr. Madhumeet Ma'am, Dean Student Welfare, for motivating us to do various activities and who sat through all the rehearsals, exhibiting a lot of patience and guiding us. Thanks to Pradeep sir and Gaganpreet ma'am for managing technical things. I owe the success of this event to each and every individual who did even the smallest contribution in the team effort. Thanks a lot.
Hello, Pradeep. Hello?
Ma'am, yes, they are there. Gagan is there.
Can I say a few words?
Sure, ma'am. It would be a privilege.
If everyone is there, so I also take this great opportunity to say one or two lines for all of you, especially the students. Dear students, these are kind of very difficult times for all of you to sit at home. I can make out, I'm always worried about all of you that along with being safe, you should be happy and you should not be under stress. So all I have to say is that do not feel stressed out. I know there is a lot of mental stress among young people because you cannot get out, you cannot meet your friends, you have no social life. But I would just say that keep smiling, keep happy, and keep optimistic about a good tomorrow because slowly we all are beating this corona pandemic. And I am very optimistic, I'm sure, that we will be back on the campus and you will be out like flying birds and happy chirping ones to back to your campus. And till then, keep smiling, take care of your parents, take care of everyone around you so that you exude that positivity and that happiness to make everyone else also positive and happy. So do not feel stressed out. If there is any stress, reach out to the counseling people in the college, reach out to the teachers. There are mentoring groups starting. So talk to your mentors. And as I said, if you want to plan some functions, you want to express yourself through your poetry, through your dances, or any other activity that you want to do, maybe just a plain discussion. I would rather request Madam Madhumeet and all the teachers of student welfare to sometimes organize these discussions among the students as to
Sure,
what
ma'am.
are the stresses that they are feeling, what they would like to do during corona times, if they have been able to help out people in the society during these difficult times for the whole humanity. So such like common discussions can be held so that students also have a release of their pent up emotions and their feelings. I think that will be a good idea. And without planning much, without preparing much, just let them sing, let them dance. As Arzu said in the beginning, dance like no one is watching and sing like no one is listening. So that kind of activity so that their stress levels, they get diluted and, they become happy and relaxed and the pressures are less. Someday we can just have the classes off on any working day and have a good discussion of the students on a particular topic, and impromptu they can speak. So
Right.
that kind of a thing, if possible, we can have maybe in
Sure,
small
ma'am.
groups,
Sure.
maybe among faculties like science faculty, and अगर बड़े groups की problem होती है तो छोटे groups में faculty wise हम इन बच्चों की कोई discussions या कोई ऐसा कोई declamation, I don't want all of them to spend too much time in preparation, but just a spontaneous overflow of their feelings. So that kind of activity will do you all good. So with the words of deep appreciation, why I wanted to actually catch this opportunity, I want to really appreciate, the students who have done so well today. The dances were excellent. The music was flawless. Sitting at home without any guidance, I think you all have performed so well. I was amazed to see everything, and the songs, and of course the anchors. They have done so well, Pranav Cheet as ever, and then Arzu and other students who have worked so hard for this. My congratulations. And this is just the beginning, and I'm sure that in days to come, you will continue to grow and thrive. Thank you, Dr. Madhumeet, and all the other student welfare department team and the technical support, all the people. Well, have a very good evening, safe days, and smiling days ahead. Thank you very much for my
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your very, very incisive views and words of concern, which are always there. And the activities, they will start and not stop, I assure.
Thank
So it is over to the students now. They will do the needful. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for
Bye-bye,
joining.
everyone. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.